We left Precon yesterday down towards Tomatita, and we got here last night at this sick camp spot. The boys got some laps, but my back still was a little bit sore last night, so I decided I was going to wait until this morning. And now we're going to go for a quick paddle and some breakfast, and then head over towards Nguyen. Yeah, should be sick.
Maar team naar de maden mijn raad, die teet jou op beat. En wat je aras in kar uit de graad. Die mannen kom uit. En om een nudel die team uit het hart. Keer jou in lief op wel het hart. Nou maar geen twijfel doen heb ik die paard. Die is er bij Anna uit Vries. Die kar uit die sunny van Gries. Rijd hem de hede uit die brussen en gooi je uit. Hoe je hebt graffie met mies. Die bal gewoon die nettig en driest.
Let's go scout a waterfall with the doggos.
Wow, it
Doesn't look high.
nah.
We thought it was a little too low. It's a bit of a longer look. We decided it was actually really good to go. 4 of them went down. Well, it's sick lines. And now we just head up, put our gear on, a couple little rapids, and then we're above it. 80 feet of free fall. Here we come. Yo. So sick. Woke up 6 o'clock this morning. We got a little Tomatita lap, rallied over here. 8 successful lines on Nguyen. Oh, it was so cool. It was funny. Me and Matty were a bit apprehensive about hitting the floor, and we were the only two to hit the floor. What a successful day.